Introducing the 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan. This 7-passenger van provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, knee airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.